Next up, the common crate.
Shh! This is the sleeping car.
Sorry. This suspect is very dangerous and very...
Tired?
We may have found our suspect, Kit.
Sam!
I bet she tired herself out attacking the engineer.
Sam!
Now we just have to wake her up and...
Sam! Common crates are nocturnal. They sleep all day and only wake up at night.
And the engineer was bitten in the daytime, when this snake was fast asleep. Ugh.
Yep. She didn't bite anybody today.
Better cross her off the list.
2 snakes left.
The third suspect should be in here. The Indian cobra.
There she is. Excuse me. And she looks like a mean one.
Ooh, pink scale polish. How vulgar.
Excuse us, ma'am.
What do you want?
My partner and I just need to ask you a few questions about...
No questions, pussycat.
Shoot!
Ma'am, earlier today we...
I said no questions!
Careful, Sam. Cobras flare out their neck hoods when they feel threatened and might bite. And her neck has a flaring.
Neck hood? Huh. Sorry to bother you, ma'am. Have a nice trip.
Ooh, tail warmers.
Sam, she was acting pretty guilty. We're just gonna walk away?
We sure are, Kit. She has a neck hood that flares. But check out the Mice Squad's photo.
The snake who bit the engineer doesn't have a hood, so the cobra wasn't the biter.
See? I never miss a thing. Now we know it wasn't the chain snake, the common crate, or the Indian cobra.
Which means there's only one of the big 4 snakes left, the saw-scaled viper.
Exactly. The saw-scaled viper must have bitten the engineer. But where are they?
Agents, I don't mean to rush your detective work, but can you please hurry up?
Don't worry, we've almost cracked the case wide open.
Well, this train's gonna crack wide open if the chief can't stop it soon, or we're about to crash!
Don't get your tail twisted, we're on it. Okay, so we know it was the saw-scaled viper, but now we only have a few minutes to find him.
Whoops! Excuse me. Totally not venomous egg-eating snake coming through. Thanks.
Whiskers, that's it! We just found him!
Fact file! Yeah!
Mice Squad Fact File.
Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System settings.
Set to thrill! Update. The big 4 snakes. Fact file! The big 4 are the chain snake, the common crate, the Indian cobra, and the saw-scaled viper.
They're 4 of the most dangerous snakes in Asia.
Fact file! All 4 snakes have venom.
Which can make you pretty sick if they bite you.
Fact file! They don't ride on trains, but when it rains, they do head for dry ground.
So watch out for the big 4.
Error. Upload incomplete.
How to fix it?
Move your feet.
Fact file! Fact file! Fact file! Yeah!
I'm starting to think this case is bigger than just a missing shell.
I'll say, I love that blue pen.
But who would take all those things? And why? Let's go over the facts again. What's missing?
A blue shell, blue roses, a mailbox, also blue, and my blue pen, which I couldn't draw because I didn't have a pen.
Whiskers, that's it! Everything that's gone missing is blue!
Sam, I think we've got a blue bandit on the loose. And you know how we catch a blue bandit? With blue bait.
You're right. We'll need to use something so amazing, so blue, the blue bandit couldn't possibly resist.
I know, just the thing.
Oh no, no way, absolutely not!
worry, Sam. This plan's gonna work, and you'll get your Cluebot back without a scratch.
All right. Setting ground traps now.
Trap set. We're gonna catch this blue bandit red-handed. Get it? Red-handed? Because the traps are red?
Feel like we're missing something, Kit.
Talk to me.
Back where Hermie's shell disappeared, we didn't find any footprints, right? But what if the wind didn't blow them away? What if the blue bandit didn't leave footprints because it wasn't on the ground?
What if it flies?
No! Quick! We can't let it get away!
Don't have to tell me twice. Come back with that Cluebot, blue bandit!
Hang in there, Daddy's coming! I mean, Clayton's on the way!
Look out! He's getting away!
Not if I can help it! Cluebot, footprint scanner! I think he landed over here.
What in the woolly world? This must be the blue bandit's lair.
Someone's coming! We'd better be ready for anything!
Please don't hurt me. My mom says I have delicate bones. I'm sorry for taking your dishwasher or whatever that thing was. But hey, while you're here, do you have anything blue I could have?
Wasn't ready for that. Oh,
Sam, the blue bandit is a bowerbird.
Yes! You understand. I'm not a bad bird. I'm a bowerbird. Hey, I just take blue stuff whenever I want it. If that's bad, then...
actually, it kind of is bad.
Fact file. Yeah!
Mice Squad Fact File.
Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System. Settings.
Set to thrill.
Update. Bowerbirds.
Fact file.
Boy bowerbirds have a special way to attract girl bowerbirds.
They build big, elaborate nests. Fact file.
They decorate their nests with cool objects they find.
Sometimes it's all one color. Fact file.
And if his nest doesn't impress the ladies,
His dancing sure will. Nice moves.
Error. Upload incomplete.
How to fix it?
Move your feet.
Fact file. Fact file. Fact file. Yeah!
Aha! Kit, how does it feel to be in the presence of a master detective?
Why? You see one around?
I mean me. I've noticed another clue. Look at where we're standing.
Under a tree?
Exactly! All the rhino rages started under trees. Show her, Cluebot.
Well, ain't that something? So there's a four-pod critter on the loose, jumping out of trees and scaring the rhinos.
I think I saw it running away.
You did? What'd it look like, Reggie?
Well, it was small, almost like a cat, with a pointy face and dark spots.
Like this?
Yeah, that's it, but without the go-kart.
I just like drawing go-karts.
A spotted cat creature. Sounds like a leopard to me.
A leopard? You better be pulling my horn.
Leopard!
There's a leopard on the loose!
Not so fast, Sam. This was no leopard. Look, the spots don't match, see?
We can't risk it. If there's even a chance a leopard is attacking folks, I gotta shut down the watering hole.
Hold up, Reggie. You might be able to keep the party going. If we can just figure out... The bugs! Whiskers, that's it!
What's it?
Kit, I know who's jumping on the rhinos. And I know how to catch her, too.
Sam, this decoy looks pretty real. There's even bugs buzzing around it, just like a real rhino. But what's the plan here?
Isn't it obvious? We're setting a trap. Someone with 4 muddy paws is jumping out of trees and onto the rhinos to eat the bugs.
Of course! It must have been the Genet we met earlier!
There she goes! Quick! She's getting away!
Oh no, she's not!
Going somewhere?
Fact file. Yeah!
Mice Squad Fact File.
Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System settings.
Set to thrill.
Update. Rhinos.
Fact file.
Rhinos don't really throw parties in nightclubs.
But sometimes they get together at watering holes at night. Fact file.
Rhinos sometimes rub their snouts together.
It's like a friendly rhino. Hello. Fact file.
Animals called genets are known to hop on rhinos' backs to eat bugs.
Giving the rhinos a big surprise.
Error. Upload incomplete.
How to fix it?
Move your feet.
Fact file. Fact file. Fact file. Yeah.
I'm Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kid Casey.
Sorry, guys. It's up to you now.
Stay cool out there, Agent.
You can count on us, Director.